Here we are back at it again with some more aruggamuffin. Well, I am aruggamuffin, but yeah, we checking out the Hodge twins, Kevin sniffles and smacks up Keith's ear. So we gotta check that out, man. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the Hodge twin reactions. So yeah,
Get up off me. Anyway, that's what you sound like. This is what you gotta do, man. Why the fuck you keep smacking? Like, bitch, I just got done eating one with some corn. I just got done eating me some of that Jiffy cornbread.
Jiffy cornbread. Yeah, I would really hate that in my ear, yo.
Got some pussy hair in your mouth or something? Well, that's impossible, man. Well, I say we're gonna take about. Think about it. What the fuck is you licking your lips, my damn ear? Hey, you licking hell with them big ass lips in my ear. Like, man, get the fuck out of here and tell me what you gonna tell them. She looked okay. It wasn't flat. Get out of my ear. There we go.
My bitch look good in some nice jeans. It's Tyler Creator. I'll see if I can find that clip.
Bad bitch look good in some nice pants.
I know they fucking hear that shit. Hear what? Sound like you sucking somebody's dick in my ear. Man, I can't lick my damn lips. Motherfucking lick them, but don't be like you just ate a jar of peanut butter or something, bitch. Let me do some talking. Get the fuck out my ear while you at it.
Golly.
How you like that all up in your ear? You like that?
God, you about to sniff it.
Then you gonna sucking that goddamn dick in my damn face again, man. The fuck? I can't lick my lips. Tired of this email.
I'm thinking about it. How long does it take to make these videos? The Hodge twins, I'm pretty sure they get it through it pretty quick. But what is it, Lord Keith and Lord Kevin, this channel? I wonder how long and how many clips they gotta go through just to make one video. It'd probably take forever.
Get the fuck out my ear! Did she say an email? No, she didn't say it. Title of this email. What you sucking on in my ear? Do it. Title of this email.
Do it.
You sucking dick again? You in your period again today, I see. Stop sucking dicks in my ear. Get off the rag, bitch. She's not putting any effort with anyone else, and that she's... There you go with that shit, my damn ear again, man. Man, I can't help it, man. It's the damn braces. I can't take this shit no more, man. See? It's some damn bands. See them damn bands?
Don't pop.
Makes me do all that shit.
Yeah.
Keep sucking dick in my ear too, bitch. Man, just licking my lips. Damn, man.
Yo. Oh. Do they ever get along, man?
That's what you sound
Do
like.
they ever
Some
get
damn
along?
slave sucking on a damn chicken bone.
That's the challenge. Can you find one video of them not being like? Is there one video that they don't like argue with each other on? That's the real question. That's the challenge. This is a smooth video with them just chilling.
After picking cotton all day, get the hell out my ear. Get out my ear, sucking.
God damn.
I pretty much get out my ear. What the hell's wrong with you? Stop sniffling in my ear. Out of this email, she dumped me. There you go, sucking in my ear again. Man, what is wrong with you? No, man. Why you sucking all in my ear? I heard that name. Elijah.
I don't think you really did nothing.
With them fucking braces. Hold up. back up. Get out my ear. So like Darth Vader got a cold beside me, man. What's wrong with you?
He can't do nothing. Yo, he can't do nothing, yo.
Is that how you make your lips? Because that's what it sounds like. Stop sucking your lips in my ear. My plan was to stick with her for about a year or two.
Y'all have anybody in y'all family that is like super annoying, but y'all super close? If I had a twin, bro, it'd have been a whole different situation.
They can't even hear me read it. Title of this email. My wife is boring now.
Damn. You gotta do something about that. I don't think he did it. Did he do something?
I ain't doing it. No, run the show. I'm gonna sit back here. I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna be sucking something off while you talking. This is getting to be a problem.
Like a damn fucking Campbell chew.
You're right there. Why can I hear you swallow? I don't know. Maybe you got bionic ears. I don't know.
Bionic.
Shot, man. Get out my ear!
What the hell?
Man, you having a nervous... That's what you sound like standing beside me. Hey, man, I think you about to have a nervous breakdown, man. Come on, Camel. Give me some more Camel action. Come on, man. Read the email. Listen. Get out my ear. Tired of this email.
Tired of this email. Lick, 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 lick.
Come on, Camel action. I'm going to go and read your email. Hey, this is for little kids, man. You can't be doing all that. Well, stop. Getting in my... Yeah, you can't say that, man. I'm a college student and there's this... Okay, I'll read all that. But... Get that out of my ear. Okay, let me start again. Hey, Hodgetwins, my mom is going through a tough time and needs some advice ASAP. Get out my ear! Man, you just start here sucking something in my ear. Tired of this email. Hey, that ain't for little kids, man. Look like you licking something. Well, that's what you doing. If you look at these videos after I'm looking at it, man. You're here in the video like this. Licking your lips like a camel.
Wow.
I can say, hey, I'd like to take you out sometime. Why you sucking dick in my ear again? I ain't doing that. You got... What the fuck?
Yo, they got issues. They got issues. I wonder if this is planned or not. If any of this is planned.
Hi, twins. My name is Drew. How many times you gonna do that in my ear? I got a cold. Go see a doctor. They got all kinds of different medications and stuff, right? But what is you sucking in my ear? Man, you gotta be kidding me, man. Man, Kim, you was sucking. I ain't sucking nothing. That's what it sounds like. You licking your lips again. Man!
They made thousands of videos, right?
Make a long story short. Make a long story. This I knew. What?
What?
Get out my ear! Contacted her on Facebook and... Something about a girl that's who's tough and how... There you go, sucking it off in my ear again. I ain't sucking nothing off in your ear, man. Tell what you doing, man. I can't lick my lips. Yeah, you can lick them, but you...
Why he rubbing his chin like that? Yo, what's going on? What's going on?
You doing all that, man? Man, you crazy, man. Do you hear that? I don't hear it.
No, I don't hear that.
Sucking something off in my ear. No, I ain't, man. Get out the way.
No, I ain't, man.
I'm looking here, buddy. There you go again. You're sucking it off. Man, come on, man. Get out my ear, Kevin. That's crazy. What you doing? You just licking your lips?
Yeah,
I'm
crazy.
afraid if I let him back in my life, I've seen your tongue lap up in my face on that. What you talking about? Why you sucking,
gross,
licking in my ear like that? Alright, man. Some of my friends told me that. What you sucking in my ear? Man, come on, quit licking your lips in my damn ear. You just go. Suck it. I'm recently divorced. Oh, yeah. You like that? With you?
Oh,
you
yeah.
like that?
Oh,
Come here, let me hear you. Come here. No, man. Oh, come on. Even that side. Push it.
Yo.
Get out my ear. You over here sucking. Hey, you sucking nothing. You sucking something. No, I ain't. I'm licking my lips. There you go, sucking in my damn ear again, man. What the hell was that? I was licking my lips, man. No, man, you were sucking them. I wasn't sucking nothing. Like you just got done eating some chicken or something, man. What's wrong, man? I just licked it, man. Get out my damn ear. God. That's what it sounds like staying beside you. Man, you crazy as hell. You got a medical condition.
I hope y'all enjoyed the video of the Hodgetwins sniffling each other's ears, man. It don't stop, man. Twins are twins. They gonna keep twinning it up. So yeah, if you got any more video suggestions, leave that in the comment section and I will check it out. But yeah, it's your boy and my